Hello students, let's move for the 10th sum in the exercise 5.2. So let's read the sum. An umbrella has 8 ribs which are equally spaced. 8 ribs in the sense like that 8 ribs we can find 1, 2, 3, 4 and that side 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. In this umbrella we can find 8 ribs. Okay, 8 corners ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ division 1 2 3 4 one side and that side it is in a circle shape no umbrella if we are opening, so that's why 8 ribs we can find. Okay, which are equally spaced, both everything is equally spaced, assuming umbrella to be flat circle of radius. So you have to think that it is having a circle. Okay, like that 8 ribs, if it is open we can get like that, or if we are writing one circle like that, so 8 parts we can get, that is the 1 2 3 and 4. So you can 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. The angle should be 45 degree. Okay, that thing only 45 radius is 45 centimeter. So this radius should be 45 centimeter. Find the area between the consecutive ribs of the umbrella. We want to find this area of the ribs. Consecutive means ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಏರಿಯಾ ಇದೆ ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ, because this is equally. So this thing we want to find out. Keep in mind this thing. Okay, so this should be question mark like that. Okay, find the area of the consecutive ribs of the umbrella. That is very important. So next is let's find out the 45 centimeter is the radius of this is 45. So let's find out the angle here. So how can we get the angle? That is a theta. Theta is, you know that the circle angle, central angle is 360 divided by, it is divided into 8 equal parts, because they only has given that thing. We have yesterday what has divided, it is into 10. So here 8 equal parts, that means 8 we have to take here. So that should be 8 fours are, I think you know about that, 8 fours are 32, 4 8 fives are 45 degree. Theta we get here 45 degree. Keep in mind. Okay, how much we got angle? That should be 45 degree. So find that area of this consecutive ribs. So area of consecutive ribs, nothing but area of sector. Keep in mind, consecutive ribs is nothing but what is this? Area of sector. So we know the formula of area of sector, that is the theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Let's substitute the value. Theta how much? Theta we got now, that is the 45. This thing you have to keep in mind how to find out. Here yesterday we find out that theta should be 10, because it is divided into 10 equal parts. Here it is divided into 8 equal parts, that's why it is 45 degree. Okay, 45 divided by 360 into pi value, we know that 22 by 7 or 3.14, anyone we can take, into r square. R is the 45 centimeter, so r square in the sense it should be double, 45 into 45. Okay, so that is very important here. Next we have to take this thing by the 9. I think you know about that. 9 5s are 45. Next 9 4s are 36, 40 it is. Then 7 no, again from 5 1s are 5 8s are 40, 5 1s are 5 8s are, so totally 48. Next is from 7, is it possible? No. So let's multiply this, better it is. 9 5s are 45, 9 4s are 36, 40, 5 1s are 5 8s are 40, 2 we can do 2 4s are and 2 11s are. Again from 1 4 we can do 4 1s are, this is point we can get here. Let's try. 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4 here also, and 4 1s are 4, 11 4s are 44, it is 0.1. 4 2s are 8, 11.2 approximately. And from 7 6 are 42, 7 7s are 49 is more, 7 6 are 42, 3 30, 7 4s are 28. is 6.4. So finally in the numerator we got 11 into 11.2 into 6.4, right? Okay, so we have to multiply this 11 into 11.2 into 6.4. so first we have to multiply it with the 6.4 into 11 or 11.2 into 11. 11.2 into 11, 11 2s are 22, 2, 11 ones are 11 plus 2 is 13, 1, 11 ones are 11 plus 1 is 12. So that is point after one number, leave one number and put a point. 123.2 into one more is 6.4. So 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12, 1 carry, 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9 and 4 1s are 4. From 6 2s are 12, 1 carry, 6 3s are 18 plus 1 19, 1 carry and 6 1s are 6 plus 1 is 7. 6 2s are 12, 1 carry, 6 3s are 18 plus 1 19, 1 carry, 6 2s are 12 plus 1 13, 1 carry, 6 1s are 6 plus 1 7. It is 8, 2 plus 2 is 4, 9 plus 9 is 18, 1 carry, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 1 is 8 and 7. So here point after one number, here point after one number, leave two numbers and put a point. 788.48. okay, it is in a centimeter, you can write as centimeter square. So area of two consecutive rub is 788.48 centimeter square. Let's move for the next 11th sum. Read the sum here. A car, 11th sum. A car has a two wipers. Car, I think you know about that, about the wipers. Wipers begin nodidira. Okay, in a car. A car has a two wipers like that. Do not overlap each wiper. Ondra ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಏನು ಕೂತಿಲ್ಲ. Has a blade of a length 25 centimeter. 25 centimeter. Each length will be 25 centimeter. Sweeping through an angle of 115 degree. Sweeping, ಅದು ಸ್ವೀಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಮಳೆ ನೀರನ್ನು, ಬಿದ್ದಂಥ ನೀರನ್ನು ಅಟ್ ಅನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಆಫ್ 115 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ಡ್ ಅಟ್ ಈಚ್ ಸ್ವೀಪ್ ಬ್ಲೇಡ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ವೀಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ಲೇಡ್ಸ್, ಎಷ್ಟು ಏರಿಯಾನ ಅದು ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ವೈಲ್ಡ್, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಅ circle of this circumference, one sector, one area we can get. So here also we want to find out the area of sector here. Okay, so let's find out that total area cleaned at each sweep is ಒಂದು ಸ್ವೀಪಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಏರಿಯಾನ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಥೀಟಾ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 360 ಇಂಟು pi r square, nothing but. So theta they only has given, let us substitute that 115 into divided by 360 into pi value, we know that that is the 22 by 7 or 3.14 also we can take, and r square is the length of the blade has given, radius it is, that is nothing but the 25. We can get one circle, but we want to find out this area, that is nothing but the 25 into 25. Hope you will know that. Next we have to calculate, divide this from a 5 we can try here. So 5 2s are 10 and 5 5s are is 25 and 5 7s are 35, 5 2s are it is. Okay, 5 7s are 35, 5 2s are. Next is from 72 it is 2 11s are it is 11, and here 36 are 2 3s are, let's check, 2 3s are 6, 1 2 6 are 12. Okay, 25 divided by 36 into 11 into 25 into, let's do next. So this is 36. In one more step I am writing to avoid the confusion. 25 divided by 36 into 11 divided by 7 into 25 into 25. Okay, so here if we do the multiplication, No, we will get the points. Let us do that. Better it is. 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28 is more, 7 3s are 21, 4 40, 7 6 are 42 is more, 7 5s are 35, 3.5 almost we get, and this is 25, 11 ones no, it counts or yes, let's multiply this first, later we can get the what division, or we can do 5 5s are 25, no, it's not 36, it's not more possible, or we can get what point here, 36 ones are 36, 0 point here, it's become 250, 36 250, 36 into 3 we can try, 3 6 are 18, 1 carry, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 is 10, or from 4 or 5 6 are 30, 3 5 3s are 15 plus 3 is 18, approximately 250 we need. So let's try with 6, 36 into 6, 6 6 are 36, 3 6 3s are 18 plus 3 is 21, no more, 7 36 into 7, 7 6 are 42, 4 7 3s are 21 plus 4 252, it's more, we have to take 250, it's more, 36 into 6 only we have to take, 36 into 6, 6 6 are 36, 3 6 3s are 18 plus 3 is 21, so 0.6 to 16 almost we can get here. So the 0.6, let's multiply now. 25 into 11 is we get here 11 5s are 55, 5 11 2s are 22 plus 5 is 27, 11 5s are 55, 5 11 2s are 22 plus 5 is 27, 275 into 3.5 into 0.6, we have to multiply this, 3.5 into 0.6, 6 5s are 30, 3 6 3s are 18 plus 3 is 21, from 0 it will be 0 only, 1 2, so finally we got 2 after 2 numbers, okay, 2.10, 275 2.10, 275 into 2.10, we have to multiply this, 275 into 2.10, from 0 or 2.1 we can take, okay, from 0 it should be always 0, from 1 it is 1 5s are 5, 1 7s are 1 2s are, then 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15, 1 carry, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 is 5, 0 5 7, 5 plus 2 7, 5. So here point after two numbers, leave 2 numbers and put a point. So we got here area of sector 577.50 centimeter. So if it is in a centimeter, you should also write in centimeter square, 577.50 centimeter, that is the area of sector. Next, we have to move for the 12th one. Let us read the sum. 2 worn ships for underwater rocks. A lighthouse spread a red colored light over a sector of an angle 18 degree. So 2 worn ships. So these are the worn ships. They are moving to find out the underwater rocks. Okay. Next, a red colored light was spread over the sector of an angle 80 degree. At the angle of 80 degree, red color light was spread, okay, to a distance of 16.5 kilometer. So to a distance of 16.5 kilometer on the both sides. Find the area of the sea over which the ships are worn, okay. So we want to find the area of the sea. So over that the light can spread. Worn in the sense, ships on one in the sense ships ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರದವರೆಗೆ ಹಬ್ಬಿದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಲೈಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರ ಹಬ್ಬಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದಟ್. Okay, so let us take that. Here also we want to find out the what area of sector only. So find the area of the sea. We have to take that area of the sea over which the ships are warned. ಹಡಗಿನ ಬೆಳಕು ಸಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರದವರೆಗೆ ಹಬ್ಬಿದೆ. 16.5 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರಿಂದ 80 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬೀಳುವಂತಹ ರೆಡ್ ಲೈಟಿನ ಬೆಳಕು. ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್. ಕೀಪ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈಂಡ್. ಓಕೆ, so that is formula. We know that theta divided by 360 into pi r square again. So theta, they only has given the angle, that is the 80 degree, divided by 360 into pi value is 22 divided by 7 into r, they has given 16.5. R square nothing but the 16.5 into 16.5. So or instead of that, if you are in the confusion, you can take 3.14. okay, so 1010 get cancel. 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 4s are 32, so 4 2s are 8, 4 9s are, we can do that. Okay, 9, 2 divided by 9, the value of 22 by 7 is 3.14, we got already. So or we can multiply by this, so that nothing but, so 7 is we got 3.12, 14 or 12, it is 3.14, sorry. Value of pi is 3.14 we can get here, because they only many of the times has given. Let's divide by 9. 16.5, 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18 is more, 9 1s are 9 point, how much is remind here, 9 1s are 9, that means 6 plus 1 7, 75, it is 9 6 9 9s are 81, 9 7s are 63, yes, 9 7s are 63, almost we got here. So 1.7, may it is enough. Let's multiply with this. 2 into 3.14 into 16.5 into 1.7. so 2 into 3.14 is 2 4s are 8. Here only we can do 2 4